Come with me for a 14-hour flight.
We will depart from Dubai International Airport and arrive in Sydney's biggest international airport. And of course, we're at Emirates main hub.
Let's go find the gate.
Here we are at gate A24. And yes, we will be boarding an Airbus A380.
This aircraft is 5 years old and is registered as AA6EVG.
My seat was in 72A, just behind the wing.
And of course, I got the window seat.
After going through the safety info, we prepared to take off.
I was pretty tired, so I slept for just over 3 hours. I woke up to a little light turbulence,
and just in time for the meal service. While enjoying the view, it was already getting dark again.
We finally touched down in Sydney.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for future ones too.